Thanks. A lawsuit was filed against Clearfield County Children and Youth Services and several of its employees. That lawsuit is being filed by a family identified as Doe to protect its identity on claims that a foster child they took in was a known sexual predator and they were not informed. Emily Marinas reached out to officials today to learn more about that lawsuit and has more on the questions we're asking. Emily.
Yeah, Jen, a former Clearfield County family is suing the county, several CYS employees, and the nonprofit corporation Lifespan. The Doe family is claiming that the county knew the child, identified as DC, had a history of committing sexual acts against other children and did not tell the family, which resulted in physical and sexual abuse to the family's 4 children. The lawsuit states that the defendants conspired among themselves and others to not tell the family about the sexual acts that DC had allegedly engaged in with other children. The family claims that the defendants' conspiracy was to not sabotage the child's chances of being adopted. The lawsuit says that the child was a victim of sexual and physical abuse, and his parents were unable to provide proper care for him, which resulted in Clearfield County CYS gaining legal custody. It says that CYS reached out to the Doe family between March and July of 2024 and told the family that they had found a new potential adoptive match. They claim that CYS provided them with the child's information, such as schools, doctors, and psychologists, but never informed them that the child had accusations of committing sexual acts with other children. The lawsuit says the child was placed in the Doe family home in April of 2025, further stating that DC began abusing and corrupting the Doe family's 4 children, who were all under the age of 10. The family says they reported the incidents to CYS immediately, and the child was not removed from the home until August of 2025. The family has since moved out of state. We asked Clearfield County commissioners for comment.
We are not permitted to comment on any litigation that's been initiated against Clearfield County in general, CYS in particular, at this time. This is just something that our attorneys will handle, and as the case develops.
Today, I asked the Pennsylvania Department of Human Services these questions regarding the information provided to the foster parents. Are foster families to be informed of any reported legal trouble that a potential foster child may have been involved in? If children were not in trouble legally, are foster families still to be informed of reported incidents that the foster child may have been involved in? We are still waiting to hear those answers from the Department of Human Services. And you can stay with 6 News as we continue to cover this story and get those answers. Live in the Content Center, I'm Emily Marinas, 6 News.